Hey there, it's Aviva from Elementor. Welcome back to our course, How to Build a Blog in Elementor. In our last lesson, we learned how to customize the single post template and reviewed style options for posts written with the default Gutenberg editor. In this lesson, we'll learn how to edit our archive pages using Elementor's theme builder. Archive pages are used to organize a list of posts under a specific category or tag. An archive displays the content dynamically, which means every new post is automatically pulled in and sorted by date from last to first. This is especially helpful since there's no need to edit this page manually whenever we add new content to our site. But an archive isn't only used to show posts in the same category or tag. It can show posts with the same qualities, such as an archive of posts written by the same author, an archive of posts written in the last month, or even an archive of search results, showing posts containing the same keyword or keywords we search for. Okay, so let's see how we can work with the archive pages using Elementor. We'll use the Finder to navigate to the theme builder and locate the archive we wish to change. Click Edit to open the archive in Elementor. When we first open an archive, or any other page template for that matter, it's important to set the relevant view for our editing. Click the gear icon to open the page settings, where we can see basic settings for this template. Expand the preview settings and set the right preview for this design. We can see here that this page shows the recent posts in the same topic of the archive, whether it's a category or tag. Now let's explore this template. Starting from left to right, we can see this image is static, meaning that every archive we open will display this same image. Let's change this to one of Xander's photos we have in our media files. Next, we have this heading, highlighted in green. Clicking on it, we can see it displays dynamic data. In this case, the archive category, Adventures. Going into post term settings, there's text here before the data. So every archive will display the word All, and then the name of the category. So in the future, we'll need to take this into account when we add new categories. Now this title, like the image, is static, so let's change it. Much better. Scrolling down a bit, we get to the main focal point, the archive's posts. Instead of using the usual one posts widget setup, this kit uses two posts widgets. This gives us more design and layout possibilities. Clicking the widget on the left, we see this posts widget only shows up to 4 posts per page. This limits the amount of posts that will be displayed on Xander's blog, regardless of how many articles are published. Let's increase it to 8. We'll do the same in the second posts widget. This page is pretty much done, but before we update, we'll click the arrow next to it and go to Display Conditions. Here we can set when and where this template will be displayed. Right now, it is set to display on every archive page we have on our site, but we can also make it more specific, like displaying only for categories or a specific tag. I'll set it back to how it was before and click Save and Close to finish. And that's it. We now know how to edit and style our archive pages using Elementor. In the next lesson, we'll work on one of the most crucial parts of any site that often gets overlooked, the 404 error page. Rather than the standard grade default error page, we'll customize our kit's 404 template into an opportunity to regain our visitors' attention. So stay tuned. See you there!